Switching gears, everyone. Tesla pulling a reverse play on prices. The EV maker raised U.S. prices for its Model S and X premium electric vehicles on Thursday. This comes not long after telling investors that it will focus on volume growth earlier this week. And if your head is spinning, you are not the only one. I think for Tesla and for all of the demand that they've tried to drive, and I mean, they went out to the investment community, basically said that we're willing sacrificing near-term margins or near-term profits to make sure that we just get more people in the Tesla ecosystem that we can later on upsell or get them to put add-on packages on and so forth. But the environment is going to become more competitive, and I think that's what Tesla is also sensing here with the price cuts that they made. However, on the S and the X, that's a premium tier product anyway. So if somebody's looking to spend $75,000 on a car, then they're probably still going to be willing to spend $65,000 to $75,000 to maybe even $80,000 on that vehicle.
Right. It seems like that they're raising these by $2,500 a piece. So to your point, if you're already willing to spend that amount on a car, that is a less price elastic consumer, so to speak, to put it in that way. That said, it's really a marginal move as well in terms of what it's going to do for Tesla, because they don't sell as many of those cars. They sell many fewer of those higher end vehicles than they do the lower end vehicles, even though they do cost more and presumably are more profitable. But that's something to keep in mind as well. It just shows that Tesla is really it's trying to figure it out, right? The company is trying to figure it out. What is it able to do on pricing? What can it do in pricing in this environment? Even as I think questions are still swirling around what the actual demand picture looks like.
Yeah.